temple of Angkor in Cambodia forms a landmark in Indo-China as Marius Moutet, French overseas minister, arrives to investigate the rebellion in Vietnam, which has cost hundreds of French and native lives during weeks of bitter fighting. After the military reception, General Jacques Leclerc, sent to take charge of military operations, greets Monsieur Moutet at the residential palace. During the tour of investigation, the city of Laos is visited, and the French minister is welcomed in the traditional manner by a gift of flowers, one from each of the populace. He will report to the French cabinet on his return to Paris. Monsieur Moutet also visits one of the famous Buddhist temples and inspects some of the ancient images. On his mission, he must determine the cause of the sudden attack on Hanoi, which the French have compared to Pearl Harbor. But despite strife in some portions, Monsieur Moutet finds culture and the hope of peace in France's colony.